All right, this is going to be a short renovation update. So I'm just going to show you the drywall is completely done and sanded and the walls are ready to be painted. This is that garage room that we were building. Looks really nice. They're going to install that window as well soon because this is the old window, but they're going to put a new one in. And excuse the background noise. I actually have the washing machine running, and I'll show you at the very end here. But remember, I asked you guys to guess what we were doing in that room. And essentially, we're making a little bathroom. Because this room here is going to actually be a suite. And I know it doesn't really look it, and it looks a little small right now, but you'll see once everything's done and everything's good to go. You'll see how good this is going to look. But let's go into this bathroom here. There's no lights in here, so I'm using my camera light as I film. Here's the tile that I chose to put in here. I think it's beautiful. It looks really nice, and I love the design. And then if we just walk in a little bit, you can see the tile that we chose to put in the actual shower itself. Let's see. Look at that. There's a nice little cubby hole right here, just so you can keep your shampoos and all that stuff. And then that's kind of how big the shower is, if you can kind of imagine that. Here, let me step in there and then you'll kind of see. So, I mean, you can fit two people in here comfortably for sure. And then as you can see, this whole area here is big square. You can put lots of stuff. It's honestly awesome. It's gonna look really great. And I'm happy that this is all completely ready for paint. It's ready for the electrician and it's ready for the flooring. So in the next couple days, I'll have a few more updates for you, hopefully, and you can see how it's going. But I'm happy. Things are kind of coming to a close. So it's going to be a little loud here because I have the laundry running, but I'm just going to show you guys just where we have it and how everything is. So let's continue. And there we go. Look at that. So it's just going to sit there. Eventually there'll be shelves and some other stuff there. But we had to get the stacker because there is not much room in here, as you can see. And then this is the remainder of our garage here. And the only thing that's changed in here is we put a little freezer. But yeah, short update for you guys. It's nothing huge. I just wanted to get you guys a little look, give you guys a little look of this room because I couldn't get in here for so long because the drywall was being done. And again, I did not want to breathe any of that crap in. That shit does not leave your lungs. So if you work with this stuff, please wear a mask.